Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the file type and why you want a new default. This matters because associations determine double-click behavior. Right-click the file and open Properties on Windows or Get Info on Mac. Once done, locate the section that shows the current default app so you can change it. Make sure the app you want is installed and visible in the list. If not, install it or browse to its executable. You're already in the right place to make the change now. You now change the association. On Windows, choose Change, pick an app, check Always use this app for. Next, then click OK so future opens use it. On Mac, expand Open With, select the desired app, then click Change All to apply to all files of that type. On many Linux desktops, use Properties right arrow Open With, choose or add the application, and set it as default. Because system settings vary, follow each step precisely, so the OS records the new mapping and prevents conflicts. You finish by testing. Double-click 2 or 3 files to confirm the new default opens them. If the change didn't stick, repeat the selection process and ensure you use the persistent option like Change All or Always Use. If problems persist, make sure the app is registered with the system. Clear file association caches, reboot, or reinstall the app. One key troubleshooting tip. If permissions prevent saving the association, run the Settings tool as administrator or use sudo to make the change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.